They promised of giving 1,000 rupees for all the 2 crores card holders. But they are not given. The DMK got failed to do all these things. And they are given the gimmicks. But they are accusing only central government. But what they are taxed very heavy. Tamil Nadu government is 8 lakh crores. The loan they have brought. They are accusing ADMK government that, sir, 8 lakh crores. The loan they borrowed.
Whereas this house is discussing on the supplementary demand of the union government. Sir, whatever he spoke is with respect to state government. It has been expected.
மில்கி மிஸ்ட்
இதுதான்
இது மட்டும்தான்
பன்னீர்னா only Milky Mist.
माननीय सांसद मुख तंबी दुरई, नेक्स्ट स्पीकर माननीय सदस्य एम तंबी दुरई,
I am supporting the appropriation bill which brought by the central government. At the same time, I have seen that certain allocations, especially I want to concentrate upon the police department. The police department is very important, even though law and order is state subject. In Tamil Nadu, the law and order is the worst condition. They are not modernizing the police force because the central government is ready to give fund to modernize the police forces also. That scheme they are not at all implementing. And go on, they are accusing the central government. They are not giving the money to them. See, whatever our finance minister and prime minister said, the allocation of fund more to Tamil Nadu is more during the Indian government. This is the present regime, under Modi regime. But the schemes which are given by the central government, state Karnataka, that now Stalin government claims as they are implementing. In the morning also, our minister said they are food distribution. 5 kg of food, that is either wheat or rice, given to the poor people. But the state government there, which is ruling now, DMK government, they are not giving a receipt. What the minister said? Why they are when the state central government giving fund, they are not bringing to the notice of the public, which the India government is doing. At the same time, sir, because I said land problem is very poor, and also the election time, they announced so many schemes they are going to implement. The DMK government could not fill up all these things. That is what we are raising. But therefore, now they are going to, there is speculation, they are giving some kind of amount for the election is coming. They promised of giving 1,000 rupees for all the 2 crores card holders. But they are not given. That they are not given. What they promised at that time, they failed. The DMK government failed to do all these things. And they are given the gimmicks. But they are accusing only central government. But what they are taxed very heavy. Electricity bill also increased. And for property tax high. Everything. They could not give any relief. Tamil Nadu people, they are taxed heavily. But whatever the tax they have done, they are not implementing the program. But Edapadi Palaniswamy, when they ruled at the time, he brought so many schemes for the people. Even Madam Jayata period, he have brought schemes giving free bicycles and laptops and also so many free food and everything scheme. But when the DMK government, all the schemes were brought by the benefit for the Tamil Nadu people, they stopped it. That is the, but they are telling, some other name they are telling, what is happening? This is a very pathetic condition. Tamil Nadu government is 8 lakh crores the loan they have brought. They are accusing ADMK government that, sir, 8 lakh crores the loan they borrowed. But the schemes they are not implemented. We don't know.
बिल पर बोल रहा है, आपको DMK में नहीं बोल रहा है.
The Tamil Nadu people are cheated by the DMK government. This is going on, sir. Please take action. That is what I am requesting. It's a very serious matter. The election is coming. They are giving lots of false promises. The people must not believe all these things. I think they are going to be changed. our ADMK government, NDF government is going to come. That's assured, I'm telling. This DMK government coming election,
आपका
April, they are
समय
going
समाप्त
to
हो
send
गया।
out because they
आपका
cannot
जो
fulfill
निर्धारित समय
the
था,
promise
वो
as what they
समाप्त हो गया।
said.
Please.
That is it. Thank you very much.
किस रूल में बात करना चाह रहे हैं?
Friends, whatever my friend spoke is irrelevant because he had spoken about the state matter, whereas this house is discussing on the supplementary demand of the union government. Sir, whatever he spoke is with respect to state government.
जो
It has to
परीक्षण
expect.
करके
It has
जो
to
विषय
expect.
संसदीय होगा, विषय संबंधित होगा, उसको लिया जाएगा। और व्यक्तिगत आरोप को मैं सबसे निवेदन करूंगा कि व्यक्तिगत आरोप के आधार पर अपना वक्तव्य नहीं रखें। मैं हो गया, आपका कंप्लीट हो गया। प्लीज सिट डाउन, बैठिए।
மில்கி மிஸ்ட்
இதுதான்
இது மட்டும்தான்.
பன்னீர்னா only Milky Mist.
மின்னம்பலம்.com தமிழின் முதல் மொபைல் பத்திரிகை.